Hey, Fer.
Hey. What's up, guys?
Hey, Hearns, you know that we got power, right?
Yeah. I saw the light ahead of that. This is awesome. I know.
Oh my god. How many feet?
Yeah, it gets to up my knees.
How many inches did they say?
2 feet.
20. How many inch? 20, right?
Maybe you have a key for your car? Yeah. You have it with you? Let me just turn the car as you cross the room through your buffer and just turn it down until you can cross now. Coming this way.
This shit does not even
Whoa,
look like
whoa, whoa. I know. Wow. Oh. Woo. Crap.
Oh.
What's up, guys?
Ya. Ya listo aquí, mijo.
Fer, where's your car? Huh? Where's your car?
Yeah, I might need a shovel.
No, don't do that. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get something to clean it.
Well, you need to clean this first. It's trapped. Ha!
Having fun?
Really? I really need a vacation.
Just look at you.
So, this is the Blizzard 99. Blizzard 2011, and yeah, this is what all about. Shit, and it's a mess. Totally a mess. We got about a foot and a half snow. Sucks. It's cold, but not too cold, but kind of breezy. The blizzard stopped, thank God, and
Oh, look at that. She fell.
let's go over there. Yeah,
Let's see if we can borrow a shovel.
we had no power.
We're having Fox News.
We have no power for an hour and more than an hour. I'm fine.
Michael, can I use that?
Huh?
Can I use that? Gracias.
You got the mouth photo. Pura photo.
Michael,
I'm recording.
can you go up and bring my keys to sell the car for a little bit?
Okay.
Throw it. Yeah. Yeah, stay.
The key?
Yeah, the car key. Right. Let's take pictures of me in the fucking.
Can we take pictures?
Yes.
Alright, let me stop this video.